Look at this beautiful grow tent. Now, I want to thank Barrina for sponsoring today's video, for sending us this grow tent as a promotion and product review. I love this grow tent. So I was a little skeptical when I read that it had a pegboard backer on it, because I'm thinking in a grow tent, a pegboard, that the condensation in there would really mess up the wood. Not in here. This is metal, a metal pegboard. It comes with the peg holders. It comes with 2 shelving units that are interchangeable. You can put them wherever you want. It came with 2 shelves, and basically you could set yours up whatever way that you wanted. I built this per the directions and the photo, but you could do it any way you want. You could position your grow lights anywhere you want. Now, the beauty of these grow lights, and these come with the grow lights as well, is you can put these grow lights anywhere you want. Each individual grow light, there's 4 grow lights, so I've got one down there and one up here on top, and then it has these directional grow lights. So, and they magnetize to the metal pole here, so you can move these up and down. You could even mount these underneath if you wanted. It's so versatile on where you can put your pegs, where you can put your shelves. These shelves can be put anywhere. The grow lights, anywhere. I can directional those, and each grow light can be turned off individually. So, for example, say I'm growing speckled peas microgreens for the rabbits down here on the bottom shelf, and I only need the 1 grow light going. I can turn these off. They've got on-off switches. Can turn those off because I don't need them. Or you can leave them all on if you're growing in there completely, where you want all your grow lights on. And then it's got a toggle switch down here to where you can turn the whole thing off. And it comes with a timer where you can set how much time and what time you want your lights to come on. Say you want to run them for 10 hours. You can set your timer. You plug this part up to the wall and then plug the grow lights into this, and they'll come on automatically. You just have these individual lights set for whichever ones you want to come on when that timer goes off. It comes with a thermostat. I have not set the thermostat up yet, but it does come with that thermostat. It's got a adjustable chains here. So if you got some plants growing on this shelf or wherever you put your shelf, and when you first start your plants out, they're small and you need to slowly raise the lights up as they're growing, you can do that with these chains. They're adjustable. Let's see. This plastic coating, so you can zip it all up. You can unzip it. It's got 2 zippers here at the top and the one in the center. You can say you wanted to, it's got casters down here. So it's got wheels, locking wheels. And you could roll this out to your front porch or your deck or whatever. If you wanted to roll these out, you can unzip this whole thing. It's got these tie backs right here where you can tie back the doors on it if you don't want the doors closed and you want them open. Let's see. I mean, it's got a arched top up here, so if you had it wheeled outside and maybe it started raining, it's got a sloping top here to drain off any excess water. Let's see. What else could I say about this? I am thrilled about this grow tent. It's really neat. It's compact. It's about 36 inches wide and about probably 5.5, 6 feet tall. So it could almost fit anywhere. This is the Barrina LH750 model. It is a pegboard indoor greenhouse with grow light plant cabinet. It's very similar to one you would see in a florist shop. It's really neat. So these pegs, you could do hanging plants. Say it's coming into winter time, you want to bring all your plants in from outside, they're in hanging baskets, you could hang them up in here and store them for the winter months. My goodness, I just can't say enough about this grow tent. I really love it, and I'm excited to get some things planted in there. I'm probably going to be starting my fall starters very soon, and I'm going to plant them in here. I'm going to get this timer set up, and I'm going to get this thermostat set up. This thing will track the temperature, the time, and the percent of the moisture in the grow tent. And also gives you the current time. So it gives you the moisture, humidity level. It gives you the Fahrenheit temperature and the time. I'm going to zip this up, show you what it looks like. All closed up, just like a see-through grow tent. Now, the grow tent I currently had was not a see-through. So I literally had to unzip it and open it up, and it would let some of the heat out. This, I can look and see how my starters are growing without having to open it up. All the grow lights link together. You could add more grow lights if you want. It's a pretty standard linking. I could link grow lights that I already have with this. Now, this comes complete with everything. The unit, the shelving, the pegs, the pegboards, the shelving in here on the inside. It comes with 2 of those. All the grow lights, the hooks, the chains, everything you see here, you're going to get with this grow tent. And this is located in our Amazon store. I will link that in the description. You go to the Amazon store, and then once you get into the Amazon store, go to the gardening section, and you'll find this grow tent. 15% off right now. Also, they also sent me, this is a grow light. It is a single bulb that fits into a standard light bulb socket. I'm going to open it up and show you. Now, the beauty of this light bulb is it is dimmable. It's got a timer on it. You can... It's got a 4, 8, and 12-hour timer. So you can just plug this into any outlet light socket that you have, just a standard socket, and have you a grow light in just one bulb. This will also be in our Amazon store. If you're interested in just purchasing a grow light that has a built-in timer, It is the OG11A bulb. And you'll find it in our Amazon store. And I think it's $10 right now on Amazon. That may be the regular price on it. But anyway, I want to take the time to thank Barrina for sponsoring today's video. Now it's time to get some things planted in here. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the update with this greenhouse.